Bitcoin trading balances fall to 5-year low. Investors turn to long-term holdings. Lido staking becomes an important part of Ethereum. High achievement covers the master. Ethereum team faces challenges. Bitmain cash flow crisis. The first brother of the mining machine will not explode, right? Compensate for user theft losses. There is also an additional 10% mental damage fee. Galxe can be said to be rich and powerful. The market is not going well and Binance wealth effect. Big discount. IO launched this time. Can the situation be saved? BRC20 stalled. The Bitcoin ecosystem is bleak. Don't worry, here comes the rescuer. Rethinking the world with cryptocurrencies. Master the 24-hour wealth password. Let's slowly become rich together. Wednesday, October 11 th.
This is Media Blockchain. On Wednesday, October 11th, in Michael. Let's look at it first. This 24-hour market data. It's a very drastic change. The biggest change is Bitcoin in 24 hours regained market dominance, accounted for the total 51% of cryptocurrency market capitalization, and Binance Coin touch third low of $208. Ethereum to Bitcoin ratio, it's plummeted, all-time low of 57 cents. In short, recent market data highlighting one of the cryptocurrencies. Very significant change. It's Bitcoin, by leading the mainstream of the market, and it seems that the recent price, it has also reached a cyclical high point. This shift shows, under current market conditions, investors may prefer, in a world like Bitcoin, the biggest and most mature, the safest cryptocurrency, and Ethereum, Binance Coin, etc. Niche cryptocurrencies are abandoned by the market. Let's take a look. Bitcoin balance on exchange, or Bitcoins on exchanges. The total is now 2.291 million. This is the lowest level in 5 years. Describe all coin hoarders. Remove coins from exchanges on a large scale. Mention it in your cold wallet. Which trading platform has the largest withdrawal volume? Bittrex Global and Bitstamp. These two large exchanges, a large number of giant whales, from their exchange balance, transferred to personal cold wallet, and among these data, there is a very interesting data. Among all the people who withdraw coins, long-term holders and short-term holders, what is the ratio between number of conversions among long-term holders? That is 14.852 million people. The number of short-term holders switching, it is 2.37 million. This is ever the biggest discrepancy in this data. This marks Bitcoin holding patterns start to change from currency speculation, switch to long-term currency hoarding. Let's take a look at Ethereum's staking situation. Since Ethereum switched to pause, as 23% of the total supply, it has entered a pledge state. 32% of the staking is done through Lido. That is to say, 7% of total Ethereum supply is pledged by Lido, replaced by Steth, so everyone sees the trading volume of Steth peaked in spring 2022. In 23 years, an upward trend was obtained again, from $127 million, jumped to $880 million. This also shows the demand for Steth is constantly increasing, but we cannot easily say Steth is replacing Ethereum. Lido's monopoly, will it bring trouble to Ethereum? I think this is the Ethereum team. Questions to consider. Good, please like it. We're here to help you sort it out 24 hours a day. What you must pay attention to. News from the crypto circuit. Everyone knows Bitmain. What is Bitmain? It is the largest manufacturer of mining machines. Is a manufacturer of Bitcoin mining machines. He was once too the entire mining field, one of the frontrunners and leaders. Recently there were reports that Bitmain's cash flow is in trouble. As a result, employees' wages were reduced. The bonus is gone too. This method, of course, it triggered employee dissatisfaction and doubts. It also caused people to attention to the Bitcoin mining industry. This is the leader. If he can't do it anymore, what can be done with Bitcoin mining?
It's bearish. Data display. Just the past 3 days, network-wide Ethereum supply has surged to nearly 30,000, worth approximately $30,000 million. Ethereum circulation surges. The main reason is that transaction traffic on the Ethereum network significantly reduced. That is to say, NFT transactions dropped significantly. and the fiat trading activity has also dropped significantly. However, the team behind Ethereum obviously don't believe this situation. Ethereum core developer Mikazotto said, according to his speculation, no core developers concerned about this issue. If we look at this from an overall perspective, it seems that it is not important. And another Ethereum core developer, Danofarin, is also not worried about Ethereum recent inflation developments.
Of course, some internal employees revealed this salary adjustment and reform. It is Bitmain that wants to take advantage of the opportunity. Put some older ones, some employees who have lost their ability to innovate, actively squeeze out. If it is like this, I despise this approach very much. Bitmain's sales revenue, mainly from customer purchases, are fees paid to maintain mining machines. Of course, the currency is falling now. Computational difficulty is increasing. Many customers will also stop buying or reduce the amount you buy. This of course leads to Bitmain's cash flow is tight, so everyone sees. Also in Hong Kong, Bitmain is very beautiful. It's 21 released. But this features that take half a year to deliver. It seems true. Fire water cannot quench near thirst. We reported to you some time ago. A must-have website for airdrops. Galxe hack theft. There are 270,000 user assets stolen. Everyone needs to know. Galxe in the entire airdrop circle. Just like Binance, the same status in the entire exchange. All the airdrop parties, everyone knows Galxe. That Galxe faces losses. Say to users, not only will I compensate you for all your losses, I'll also give you 10% more mental damages. This time, Galxe's status in the entire airdrop circle immediately went to the next level.
According to official news, Web3 Credential Data Network Galxe published for October 6. Security Incident Recovery Plan. Users indicating any loss of funds. All will be on Polygon. Get full compensation in USDT. Value is based on Beijing time. Calculated at 18 o'clock on October 9. The user believes they are affected, but the wallet address is not in the list, or determine the value of the loss. Wrong calculation. Available before 1 o'clock on October 17, Beijing time. Contact support team. Also, to thank users for their trust, the team will provide users with additional 10% reimbursement.
You see this as equivalent to special Galxe. Cost less than $300,000. Give yourself to the whole world. Made a very good advertisement. Not only won users, and gained a good reputation. But until now, I would like to advise everyone. The current airdrop, no longer airdrops from the Union era. It's so simple. The current airdrop is not good. You're going to be cheated by the project side, and anytime, anywhere. Or face safe the issues.
Binance launches IO to send money to users. Do you want to accept this offer or not? The era of hype based solely on BRC20 inscriptions coming to an end. Bitcoin ecology. Time when hundreds of flowers will bloom.
The translation of EO is, what does it mean for an exchange to publicly issue tokens? In other words, using the issuance behavior of the exchange as a fundraising platform, selling tokens to exchange users. What about Binance SEO? It has always been the cryptocurrency market. What spots of concern? Everyone remembers that in 21, Binance has released a lot projects that are 100 times more powerful than EO. For example, Sand, etc. But with the advent of the bear market, everyone sees hot money in the market is now fleeing. Binance's ability to pick years. It has dropped a lot now. This wealth effect, it no longer exists. Are you like Binance's previous EO project? Like MovC, etc. It's so low that I can't even see it. However, Binance has recently another EO project launched, called Newton. How about this project? Let's take a look.
Binance is now online. The 38th issue of new coin mining project tron. Allow users in 2023, after 8 o'clock on October 11. Place BNB on the Launchpad website. TUSD does. Invest in NTRN mining pool. Get NTRN rewards. NTRN can be mined for a total of 20 days. NTRN reached a maximum of 0.5 USDT after being launched online, an increase of over 59%. It is currently down to $0.376. Tron allows developers, via inter-blockchain communication protocol, easily build cross-chain applications and for DeFi dApps, providing comprehensive economic security for Cosmos Hub.
First, Neutron S token. The amount of release is not much. There is only 20% of the circulation now. Lots of tokens is still in the hands of the project party. If according to the time, in terms of costs to investors, for a holding cost of 9 cents, current market price, already they are about 4 times the profit. In this market situation, I think the project side and investors take advantage of the benefits of being listed on Binance. The possibility of smashing the market still very big. At the same time, this coin has a release volume of 7%. It is for the airdrop party. This is also part of the selling pressure. Before this project was listed on Binance, on Twitter, that is 20,000 to 30,000 fans, and among the community, the heat is not too high either. So if the market continues to decline, the risk of this coin, it's not that big, so I advise everyone to be careful. Since the birth of Bitcoin, after the start of Break 20, everyone is looking forward to this husband chain. Can it also be developed, similar to smart contracts, or DeFi, GameFi, etc., such an ecology? But everyone knows, Bitcoin is not like Ethereum. It starts from the beginning. He rigidly defines his own standards. Unless you soft fork Bitcoin, otherwise you have no choice. Modify the code like Ethereum. So easy to develop various ecologies. But recently, release of a white paper called Bitmain broke the situation. Maybe it will become a history of Bitcoin. A very rich and colorful stroke.
Blockchain developer Robin Linus, co-founder of ZeroSync, published BitVM white paper. BitVM is a new computing paradigm. It allows Bitcoin to be changed without changing. In the case of network consensus rules, expressing a Turing-complete Bitcoin contract. And there is no need for network consensus rules. Perform a soft fork upgrade. Linus explains. Any computable function. All can be verified on Bitcoin. This makes Bitcoin smart contracts more expressive. In particular, BitVM enables everyone. Originally thought a soft fork was needed. Functions that can be realized, possible for the Bitcoin network, bringing more DeFi use cases and scalability. According to commentator Sam Parker, BitVM means Bitcoin can now act like any other chain. Turing complete.
Why is this a historical initiative? Because before this, all Bitcoin users, we can only hype an inscription or engrave an instant. This is actually for the Bitcoin chain. Not much practical benefit. Of course the miners made money. But all builders, always exploring, thinking about how to develop the Bitcoin ecosystem. But without exception, everyone is on the Bitcoin chain. Encountered a bottleneck, so Bitmain, if it can be successfully realized, then it is very likely to happen, like 21 years old, a scene like DeFi Summer. But this scene, not happening on Ethereum anymore, but the boss of the currency circle, Bitcoin on-chain, so we are looking forward to it, its future ecology. There will be a big explosion. At that time will the miners. He is the biggest vested interest. If you can't do anything, then there's a mining machine. It is about having the best solution that is good for you. Let us take a look at Express in crypto space.
According to a legal document, FTX founder SBF lawyer. I would like to ask FTX co-founder Gary Wang, agreeing to affiliated hedge funds, a series of loans from Alameda Research, whether to rely on legal advice, Ordinals trading market, or swap domain name hacked. Officials warn before taking back control. Do not link to their website. And recommended to MetaMask users. Get private key, and move to products such as Unisat. Data display. As of October 10th, on 18 chains including Ethereum, over 3 million NFT projects have been deployed. Total of 1.213 billion NFT assets have been issued. Current multi-chain NFT assets. Market capitalization is approximately $17.7 billion. There are 210 million wallet addresses. Hold or trade NFT assets. Its platform issued an announcement stating that only the reply function for verified users has been launched online. Elon Musk commented, "This will help protect against spam bots." NFT market blur. Tweet Blur Season 2. November 20. Or will be on November 20. Start the Season 2 airdrop, Blur previously stated. Will be included in the Season 2 incentive event. Issue 300 million Blur tokens. And will be used for users with 100% loyalty. Shoe maximum reward.
There is a saying in the currency circle called, all coins, they are all working for Bitcoin. It is difficult for many people to understand. My coins, why are you working for Bitcoin? Because of everyone's consensus, the consensus of the currency circle. In fact, it is driven by Bitcoiners' consensus. Derived, if Bitcoiners' consensus is decreasing, so then all cryptocurrencies all worthless. What is most confusing to everyone right now is, how do I turn my coins into fiat currency? How to turn it into daily consumption? Have you ever imagined that one day, you don't need to think about withdrawing money anymore? When traditional finance, when falling apart, all pricing, if all were priced in Bitcoin, are you still worried about withdrawing funds? So this day will definitely come, and in our lifetime, we'll definitely see it. Okay, that is all for today. If you think our program is valuable, welcome to give us like. It is our greatest support. In this link, you can check all members' benefits. We will survive the bear market with you. Let us become rich together. See you tomorrow.